Alright, so here we have some zinnias. This is the hoop house that we made from a twin bed. Got some plexiglass up top, got some corrugated plastic on the side. Here I have some straw flowers, some magnolia gladiolas, and I have sewn a variety of larkspur here. Since it gets so windy here, I figured it would be better to do these in the hoop house. How tall they are, it's perfect height for how tall the greenhouse or the hoop house is. And here I'm getting ready to plant some other stuff. I have also planted a one round of tall rust resistant snapdragons in there as well. So here's the backyard, and here